I'm going to be showing you how to fix Discord mic in your iPhone. So if your Discord mic isn't working on your iPhone, it's usually a permission, input, or connection issue. So let's follow these steps in order to fix almost every case. So the first thing you need to do is check mic permission. So for that, you need to open your settings. Just be on your app library, open settings by searching for it. It's right there at the top. Just go ahead and tap here. Once you're there, you just need to scroll down till you find privacy and security right over here. Just go ahead and tap here and scroll down to microphone. So you can find microphone right below local network. Just go ahead and tap here, and after you're there, as you can see, Discord is right there, and make sure that this button is toggled on. So the green light says that it's toggled on, and if it's gray, that means it's not. So make sure it's toggled on, and if it was off, just reopen Discord and test again. You can also turn off Bluetooth temporarily. Just swipe down from your control center like this and tap there, and make sure it's turned off. Sometimes Bluetooth headphones hijack the mic, and just reopen Discord and test it again. You can also try force closing Discord. Just swipe up like this and close Discord and reopen the app and rejoin the voice channel. You can also try restarting your iPhone. Just power off, wait 30 seconds, and power on. This resets audio services as well. So in all of these ways, you can successfully fix Discord mic in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.